how to contact support on DD. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can contact support on DD. So if you would like to contact the support, first step is to log in into your account, your DD account, just like I have done here. And then move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. Then in the page displayed, you'll see options like my trips, payment methods, uh, help, messages, etc. Once you can see this, just go ahead and click on help because that is the help center that we're looking for, or the support center. All right. So after clicking on help, you'll be taken to the helps page automatically. But as you can see, the service is currently not available in my region. But for you, if it's available in your region, you would see different options here. You will see the option to speak directly to the DD customer support team, and you also see the option of email. So, and you also see the call option. So you can use whichever one that you desire to speak directly to the DD customer support team. You will see the option here. Just click on it, and then you'll be directed to another page where you can chat and speak directly and receive immediate answers. And then you also see the email address of DD, and you'll see what you need to do, the instructions, follow the instructions, and then you'll be able to send a message depending on the kind of issue that you're facing. And then you also see the call number, the numbers to call, the contact number to call in order to resolve certain issues. So these are the various ways, all right, of reaching out to the customer support on DD. Thanks for watching and have a good day.